Warm-ups first. I'm gonna pass out calculators.
Oh, here, someone can use this one.
Justin, you said you were gonna put it away.
I did.
Yeah, you did? You said you were gonna do this one thing and put it away.
Oh, I somehow saw that.
Okay,
Hey, I'm Dustin, and I'm including my phone so respectfully.
Justin,
Yes. Joe funny. Yes, that's the
Okay.
Oh, but I
up here,
100.
this is linear. This is exponential.
Yeah, I'm right here right now.
Boys, come on.
I gotta get enough seats.
Y equals mx plus b, with m being the slope
I can't, oh my god.
and b being the y-intercept. Who knows how to do this?
I can't see.
Okay, give me a second. Y equals a times bx.
Oh my god.
A is the y-intercept,
Oh my god.
and b is the multiplier. I want you guys to answer question 1 and 2 for linear, and 2 and 4 for exponential.
Can you move it more center? There you go.
When you are done, so 5 minutes, you guys are gonna come up here and put the answer on it, and that'll help us get ready for the round table. The calculators are for,
What's a round table?
that's the whole point of today is to learn, so next Friday we can do that. You guys don't need to copy that down, you just need to use these, whoops, hold on. You just need to use these, and here's your example equations, to answer the y-intercept of linear function, the y-intercept of exponential function. You don't have to copy it down, just answer them. Dustin, where's your pencil? Where's your pencil?
Oh, I have it here. Why?
Because it's not in your hand?
Oh, no, I didn't, a calculator.
Okay.
I'm talking about my pencil because it's really weak. Wait, do I
4
have to
people
copy?
are answering these, so you better have the first 4 answers.
I have to copy all that?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you said we didn't.
No, you have to answer the first 4.
I don't know the answers.
Yeah, that's the thing. Carpenter.
Ovid,
I like it.
where are you?
Oh, that makes it.
But Janae is also here today.
Oh, is she?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, he did.
Yeah.
Gabe, how did you do?
Wait, oh,
Okay,
I guess.
question 1 and 2 is from first semester. You may not remember them, but question 2 and 4, you know, we've been doing this since we came back from holiday break. So answer 2 and 4, we might go over 1 and 2, or 1 and 3 together. What's the y-intercept?
It's like a. So, I don't know which part, but why is it like.
The y-intercept is A. The multiplier is B. Okay, so this is oh, but you don't need to write this down, you just need to answer. What's the y-intercept of this one? A times B. A is the y-intercept. What is A?
Done.
The white thing, right?
What is A?
A.
Is what? Look, where's it represented?
Okay, so she just wants you to identify.
Yeah, which I
So,
which I see.
the y-intercept she's showing you is the plus b. So in 3/2 times x plus 4, which is the b.
Which is B?
Yeah.
4?
I already got the answer.
Fraction.
Wait.
Did you
That's
do the
answers?
first row, linear?
Wait, I thought we're going on.
Just try your best, using the equation now that you've done the first one.
So I thought I was supposed to do 1, 2.
Yep.
1, 2, 3,
That's the
4.
answer.
Yep, and what's that, the slope
Which is slope. Oh.
is m. Y equals
Three.
mx plus b.
Three and a half, 2.
Mm-hmm.
I can't. Oh,
Alright, now with the same thing.
And now do the same thing for
I'm
exponential.
not going to multiply because it's got an A now.
It's right.
It's fine, it's fine.
A.
I think so. Let me see.
Oh, the number. I thought you were talking about
The y-intercept is 4.
Okay, this is m,
Okay.
b.
The multiplier.
Okay. 30 more
I think
seconds.
so.
We're gonna do the first one together.
I don't know what the multiplier is.
Multiplier is b.
Wait, B.
Is B?
Wait, B the B. Oh, wait, exponential multiplier. Oh, yes. I guess that's correct.
Well, it wouldn't be the 3/2 if it's B.
That's B. Wait.
So it'd be the 4.
Wait, so
It says the multiplier is B.
Wait, what's the Hold on again. Exponential. Wait, so B is 4. Oh, wait, no, that's the opposite. Oh, wait.
Okay, now I'm done.
Wait, no, hold on. That's the opposite of linear, right?
Lean.
Yes, halves.
Linears. So the second opposite. So let me just hold on. So based on multiply for exponential y intercept is
I like your red sheet. What is the b?
alright.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so it's that's the opposite of the linear.
I
Don't.
You can help him.
Wait. Oh, okay. I guess. I mean, it's just a test, but okay.
Not a test. Not yet. Next week.
Okay. Let me zoom out. Who's gonna volunteer for question 1?
Me.
Hey. So 3, 2 is 8.
Wait, come write it down.
Oh.
Only question 1.
There's only event.
Wait, question 1?
Mhm.
This one? Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, then do that one. Answer whichever one you can.
So 3, 2 is 8.
Okay.
I'm doing question
3, 2 is A, so you need to tell me 3, 2.
Okay, so 3, 2 is 8.
Put it up here. I'm gonna write your name down there. Leonardo. Okay, who wants to do another one?
Gabriel.
Number 2, me.
Gabe, come on up. Whichever one you which one before do you want to do? Next. Come on up, Dustin.
It's not fresh anymore.
So if I have this facing me, am I recording you?
Yeah.
I'm recording me?
Wait, what?
Because I'm looking at you and I'm seeing you.
So it's
Oh,
recording
yes.
me.
Oh, okay. Good. You
Go ahead,
scared me.
Dustin.
Oh.
Go ahead.
That is so ridiculous.
Which one do you want to do? 3 or
Oh
4?
yeah, R. Oh, it's so ridiculous.
Oh, you can say ridiculous.
Doesn't matter.
Is it?
Why are you so dirty, Mark? I just.
No. I just said ridiculous, but you just analyze it. I says.
Why are we
Really?
talking
You,
All right, boys.
You
One more volunteer, please.
me.
Come on up. All right, Donovan. You not get to choose your box. You have to do 4. What's the multiplier?
So
Okay. Can we see the whole thing?
Yes.
Okay, number one, in the linear function, right here, top, we're gonna go down from 1 to 3. Linear function, Gabriel says it's 4. Because y equals mx plus b, I circle my b and my 4, and it is in fact 4. Thumbs up, you got that? Everybody should have that on their paper. Destin.
Yeah.
No phone.
There's no phone. I don't know.
Question 3, Destin says it's 3 halves. Come up here, circle my m, and it does in fact give me 3 halves. That was all first semester.
Oh yeah, now I remember.
All first semester. Now you remember?
Kind of weird, but yeah.
We've got to start keeping that stuff in mind for final, right?
Oh, man.
So we'll start adding that into warm-ups. Now we're moving over to exponential function. That's all this semester. Everybody should have flew through this one. Leonardo says that the y-intercept is 3 halves. I come down here to my A, and I circle it, and I in fact got, the pin's opening up on its own. And I in fact got 3 halves.
Yes.
Everybody else got that too?
Yes.
Finally, Donovan says the multiplier is 4. I come and circle my B, and it is in fact 4. Right? Okay, we need to do some desk moving. Because tomorrow is testing, and because I'm testing, let me pause that, because I'm testing students in my classroom, all the desks we move have to be placed back before you guys leave.
What?
What? Let's do Daniel, Gabriel, and Obv. You guys will be a group of 3. So move these these 2 desks, put Obv, move those together in a group.
Question.
You can leave your stuff there, just take your paper
Yep,
and
we're
your
gonna have a group of 4 and a
calculator.
group of 3. I will be in your group. So. Donovan, Destin, Leo, and Jenny, you guys come put these tables together to make a group of 4. Donovan, you're fine there. Jenny, can you move up?
I want a desk with lots of room so I can sit and eat.
Okay, Leonardo?
Yeah.
Yeah, you come up here, Leonardo.
How do I set this on here to record like that?
Yes, ma'am. I can move it up to the front half of the room.
Yeah, but you have to do your stuff.
Yes, that is good. Guys, I'm having trouble with the, I could move it over to Ms. Valdez.
I was the one that told him he could leave it there.
Oh. This is your fault, Christy. I didn't say anything about leaving our stuff at our own desks.
Okay, excuse me, that's the warm-up, huh? Daniel, can you go gather everybody's warm-up? Can you pick up everybody's warm-up for me? And then just throw it up here on the desk, and I'll hand these out.
You guys' name are on these?
Pick them up.
Stop.
Come on, your name on it, give it.
I did.
You're picking them up.
Okay, pass those around. Okay. Everyone's, sorry, Daniel. Go ahead, Dave. This is different, that's from the warm-up, nobody should be looking up there. Everyone's paper should have the same order of math leads. Number 1, we'll say, starting with Jenny, ladies first, right? So Jenny, Donovan, Leo, Destin, going in this way. Everyone should have Jenny as their number 1 math lead.
What?
Jenny written down as number 1. Can you help
Maybe
them put their
second.
names in order? I'll do it over here.
So then it's
boys,
Jenny, then, Donovan,
with us.
and then Leo, and then Dustin.
Math lead number 1, Gabe.
Wait, wait.
So,
Math lead number 2
Leo,
going over
you know how to spell
Daniel.
Donovan?
Just put it as Dan.
I don't know how to
D-O, well, I know what, let's do it this way.
Let's
So
put Donovan.
now, let's switch the papers and they
What?
can, they can write their names till it comes back.
I already wrote on
Oh, okay.
Everyone's paper should look like.
Here, Donovan, put down your name for Jenny.
He's great.
Then Leo, you put your name down for Jenny.
Heather, I'm gonna be the on this team. Yep, you're right.
And then give it to Dustin to put his name, write it neatly.
Let me get a pencil.
So everyone's name should be Jenny, Donovan, Leo, and Dustin's last.
You going, Abed?
Is that neat enough for you?
Are we all, are we caught up over here?
Camera so where it can catch you? Or do you want me to follow?
What? It's okay, I think it can see everything. Okay, boys, everyone, number one, box one, draw an emoji. Every single person is drawing an emoji. What we're doing today, it doesn't just, some of it is math, but what we're doing today is learning how to do a round table. We're learning how it works, how to pass our paper around, how to initiate.
Okay, who's person two?
How to initial to check the other person's work. We're learning how to do this so the next time we do a round table, we can do it without having to go through all directions, okay? Group
Draw an
one,
emoji.
No, person
we
two
are
has-
learning. No, everyone draws an emoji. I sit there until we're all done drawing and then I will explain the next step.
Doesn't matter which one.
It is not a race either, guys. Everyone draw an emoji, whatever one you want, Dustin.
Can it be evil? Like super bad?
It can't be inappropriate, no?
There's an emoji with a gun.
No,
Everyone's drawing an emoji.
has to be a good one.
Boom, easy. It's the only thing I don't know.
gun.
Okay, while you guys do that, I'm gonna put in the tidbits.
Yeah.
Hold on. I just put some George first. What do you guys think?
Hard eyes, we got, what is that? The
You're
smile.
right here. Are you asking if you're tardy? Do you have a reason on why you were tardy?
There's a circle emoji.
I was helping my friend with some homework that I had to do to turn in.
This emoji's too overrated.
Now we can do it.
It's not gonna happen tomorrow,
It's
right?
racist.
No, it isn't.
It
It's
is.
an actual monkey, look. I'll pull up the emoji sheet right now.
Open because I'm helping him with his homework.
Absent,
That's what.
So what's number two?
I can see, look.
Okay, number two, so.
Racist.
Wait, we're not ready to move to number two yet.
What is it?
I wanna check everyone's paper first. Justin, you
I'm
can
showing,
put it
I'm
away.
showing him the emoji.
Okay, Abed, are you done?
No. I'm trying to draw professional.
I don't wanna
Okay,
solve
not
for X.
professional emoji, just finish up.
I think person three should solve for X.
Oh, look at you.
No.
Come on, because the whole class will wait.
Person two.
30 more seconds to draw your emoji.
You.
30 more seconds.
Alright, person
Group's
two.
done.
Yes.
1, 2,
We're almost
3.
done.
Three solve for X.
Is that good?
Okay, everyone, so see how in your group Jenny's first, in my group Gabe's first? So you're going that clockwise, just like you guys did in your group. Everyone is passing their paper over to the next person.
Boom, got the answer.
You're passing your
I
paper
already answered it.
Well, you weren't
over one
supposed to.
person.
You didn't tell me that.
Okay, don't start on question two. Do
You
not.
told me that late. I already answered it.
Destin, I did say only answer one.
Wait, did you say?
Okay, pause, please, pause.
People are fighting.
Pause, please. Destin, we are not ready to answer question two. So pause, okay? Nobody is working ahead. This is gonna go very slow. We have to learn how to do this. We have to learn the procedures. We have to learn how to pass it around. No one is working ahead. Got it?
Yep, got it.
I'm looking at my paper passer's emoji and I'm saying, okay, good emoji. So I'm gonna initial in the box here that says good. If my person didn't draw an emoji, if my person drawed a stick figure, do you know what I would say? Excuse me, Abed, you need to correct this. I would not correct it for Abed.
What did you
But
say?
Abed drew emoji, so I put my signature. Our signatures are first initial and our last initial. So, Destin, yours would be DM.
So what's your
That's
last
mine,
name?
yeah. Like, damn hero.
Dan, yours would be the same thing, Dan. If your partner drew an emoji that you feel is appropriate, put your initial in the initial box. Do you think that's an appropriate emoji?
No.
It's my first name.
I think it's a wonderful emoji.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Okay, so put your name,
Just
G-O.
the first letter.
That's your initials.
What's your last
Yep,
name?
right here where it says initial.
It starts with oh, initial.
B?
My initials are HN because my name is, I put my middle name. Because my name is Heather Ann Coe.
I was wishing this is the German name.
How do you say it?
Go, Marco.
Oh, yeah, that's hard.
Okay, who has initials over here?
Everybody got
Everybody knows their
initials.
initials. Now, the paper you are holding is the paper you will answer question 2 to. So please solve question 2.
Yes, ma'am.
When you are done, wait patiently until we are ready to move on. Solving question 2. Abin? Okay. Show me your steps, please. No, you can't solve this.
You can change the D from the only
need to solve
values.
this, yeah.
So you want the class going down the class
Attaboy,
point.
good job.
You want the next.
Attaboy, good job. Abin, please solve this question 2. Nothing, we stop right there. Pause, stop. We're just doing question 2. Put it away.
I'm done.
Put it away.
Done.
Destin.
Dustin, if you use your phone, I choose dropping down, you know.
That's not
Not a
true.
way. How do you do it? Show me how to solve it. Mhm, show me how.
Okay, so have an X. So I believe you put the X.
And then put that.
Draw the line. How do you get rid of the 9?
You don't put
Then
it
after
on
this,
top,
we
you
kill
put
it.
it under.
Instead, I put X.
It always goes under.
Oh.
Oh.
That's it. Never mind. You were done.
I told you I'm.
Who is not? Who is done? Show me thumbs up.
Put your phone away.
Abin, did you ask any of
Good
this?
tip for selfie.
Got you, bro.
Put it away. You need to start asking for help and doing it, okay?
Okay, the
You
middle
can't
one
just sit the whole
continue.
time. How do we get rid of the 9? What is the inverse of
The
6?
point is, I finished.
The point,
And she said to be patient.
look,
And I am being.
At least 6 times a day.
look, Dustin, you may probably know this, but you know, teachers, they suffer, you know. Yeah? Right?
She's trying to get her credentials.
For what?
Alright,
To be a full-time teacher.
Look,
how?
What's
Add
what?
or multiply?
she needs,
She's on probation.
look, everyone needs to succeed. So, when someone's life
Your
rate,
AP,
What's
they
left on
have
this
their- you can, sir, right there, is see that
Oh my God.
Very race.
Oh, she put an emoji, huh?
Oh, she put that S right here. Then.
Thumbs up if you're done with question 2.
And when she wait. it's called
Gabriel, what do you think we're gonna do now?
Switch papers.
Pass it. Jewel, same direction, same
Pass
direction.
it.
Daniel, that goes to Abin.
Thank you. Let's see, this is Donovan.
That goes to Daniel.
Okay, so put your initials again.
Is that nice?
Okay.
Always did it.
No, that's not.
Who passed their papers? Everybody's passed papers?
Mm-hmm.
Does anybody not have a 9 on their paper?
Right here.
Yes, and I'm.
Everybody's is correct. Leonardo, what do we do next?
We gotta spell Mr. B's last name.
No, what do we do first?
Oh.
Put our
This is
credentials.
B.
Okay,
This
our
is-
initials,
Oh,
what
yeah,
are our
initials,
initials?
initials.
Our
First
credential.
and last initial. Initial this baby. If you're
This
first
is
at 9, you
B.
should be putting your initial.
No.
Oh, it's right here, it's right here.
This is B.
Right here.
No.
It's actually a
Yours would
girl.
be, that DM is
LP
Daniel's.
in
Yours
a
is-
super fancy
Abin,
way.
yours would be OG.
But wait. Okay,
Yours
something's
is
wrong.
G. Oh.
Put your initial.
Okay.
Wait, she
Good
might
idea.
change it.
Did I get
Wait till she tells you to go.
Slow down, Destin. We gotta learn these steps. What you doing, Leonardo? You put your initial?
Yeah. I'm drawing one.
Okay, everybody answer question 3. read, please? It says spell Miss B's last name. Because you guys don't know who Miss B is, I can tell you. It's up in the corner. Barino, B-E-Y-R-O-N-N-E-A. Jenny,
Miss, this M-R-S, period, and then this last name.
Jenny, remember Miss Barino? We were in her class together? Yeah. That's who she is. She is the one who made this template for me.
Oh, Miss D. Oh, I forgot.
Boom, let's go.
Mm-hmm. Spell her last name.
It's among us.
Deformed fat among us.
Oh,
My favorite.
wait, oh, right here?
Yep, it's right there. Okay, please give me a thumbs up when you are done.
Oh, yeah.
Pineapple.
Justin, while we're waiting on some people to finish up, you should probably check to see if you gave it a capital B. Justin, which photo was it?
Okay, I'll put it away.
Probably check, did you capital B it? Are
Yep.
y'all done?
Uh-huh.
What do we do next?
We switched them.
Yep. Okay, that one, all good?
Gonna go among us.
Okay, pause. You didn't do it.
Oh.
Okay, hold on,
Leo.
pause.
I'm sorry.
We forgot to.
It's up in the corner.
Is it Michelle?
No. it's not.
Barino,
There,
B-E-Y.
right here.
Everything.
It's done right, so you can put your initials.
There we go.
All right, are we good? Gabriel, I gave you my paper. If I did not capitalize the letter B in Barino, would you yell at me and say, hey, you forgot to capitalize this, stupid? No? Would you guys yell at your partners that?
It depends how I feel.
What would you do though?
Just
What would you say to me if I forgot to capitalize it? So Gabriel, Justin, Gabriel would give me back the paper if it were wrong, if I forgot to capitalize it.
That's what I did,
And he would
yeah.
say, excuse me,
I gave it
Miss
back.
Heather, you need to capitalize this so I can initial it off. Okay? If it looks good, please add your initials and work on question 4. Question 4, write the year in which our school first opened.
Gone.
Oh, it's 1999.
Attaboy, it's right up here in the box for
Hey, I
us.
did it.
No, you
Yeah,
didn't.
that's
I
99.
answered it
I know that.
first. There's a copy.
Bro, how can we copy all? It's all the fucking same answer. We can't fucking copy. Sorry.
Y2K?
I can ask her to let your mother see that.
Oh, no, she already knows that password.
Not in school, you're not supposed to.
Really? It's illegal or something?
Yes, it
What's that?
is.
I'm gonna go in jail
That's the year.
No, you can get, suspended.
for saying one cuss
What's
word.
wrong?
Yes.
There's no way. That's the most stupidest thing I've ever heard.
Look,
Destin, watch your language in this classroom.
Okay.
well, cuss words are like
Okay.
offensive, right?
Yes, they can be considered offensive. Watch your language in this classroom, okay?
Even though I don't know the origin, I think it's offensive.
Attaboy.
That is stupid.
What do we do next? What do we do next, Jenny? What do we do next, girl? We should have our very own paper back.
Yep.
If your person put 1999, that means they got it correct and you put the initial. If they did not put 1999, you hand it back to them.
Whose initial is that?
It's pretty fancy, I know.
Okay, how are we on?
So it
I
could
always
be any.
forget what time it is.
Is
We've got time, we'll finish this today. You guys will even have time to put the chairs back. Okay, Destin, you're gonna rip a hole in your shirt. I am not going to help you guys with this one on 5 because this is what we've been working on. You just have to think. It says sketch and function. Up here it reminds us every input has exactly one output.
What does that mean?
Every input has exactly one output. I want you to sketch a function. The reason we did not finish our whole workup, or our whole warm-up today is because I wanted to see who can sketch a function and who can't. I'll give you 3 minutes and then we'll do it together on the board. Every input has exactly one output. You could use a linear function, you could use an exponential function. I don't care which one. Number 5. I want you to sketch that on the graph. I want you to sketch it on the graph.
What happened? What are we supposed to do?
You have to, yeah,
Never mind.
Input is X, output
What are
is
we
Y.
supposed to do? I forgot.
Input is X, output is Y. Good question, Gabriel. Actually, a very good question.
Okay, what are we supposed to do?
Every input has exactly, that's the hint. That is the hint. I'm wanting you to sketch a function for me. It doesn't have to look pretty, it doesn't have to look like it was drawn with a ruler. No, it can be a linear or an exponential function.
Yes.
Nope, but you did a good job labeling your graph.
This time.
This is gonna show up on our test.
I don't know what the hell this is. It's confusing.
Use this clue. I'll give you guys 1 more minute, and then we'll do it on the board. Somebody can do this. Donovan, think. I want you to sketch a function.
I don't
This
know,
one.
man.
Just
Give
look.
you any function you want, any number, any size you want.
Oh, so we just put a number.
I guess. Is it kind of close?
No, because that's a straight line.
Wasn't that where you did fx equals?
You're on the right track.
I think
Keep
it's
thinking.
supposed to be like kind of like the graph.
But marks instead of numbers is on the right track.
Should be kind of like
Think
the
of what you
graph
did
or
last semester, think of
something.
what you did this semester. Nope.
Wasn't it what you were doing in your workbook? Fx equals,
Yeah, but the
Like
this is like numbers. You have to write.
after you do the
Don't remember
fx
this because we
equals.
haven't done this yet.
So do we just do it randomly? Is that okay? Randomly?
Yeah,
Oh, like this?
yeah, nobody can use Destin's function.
Wait, so I got it right?
30 seconds, yes, and I'll show you one. 30 seconds, Destin got it.
What's that answer?
Not gonna tell you. That's cheating.
Somebody,
I'm pushing
but
out my
just so
book.
you know, Destin didn't write a single number, he just drew something.
Ooh.
You could do it linear kind of what means line, or you can do an exponential.
Listen to that.
You did a little of both, but I'm taking it because it is
That's why
technically
all the
one.
numbers.
You don't have sketching, you don't have to write a single number.
Oh, okay.
I just want this linear.
British.
I just.
Okay. All right, are we ready?
Yes.
First, I'm gonna show you in pencil what Destin did, and then in pen, I'm gonna show you other ways to do it. In fact, I'm gonna show you on 2 different papers. So, what Destin did, I know this looks different than what you have, here's what Destin did.
That's like.
Yeah,
That's like
yeah, that's it.
So, if I drew my 3 lines, is there 2 outputs to any of these inputs?
Yes.
Nope.
No.
So that would be correct. Now let me show you what I was hoping that somebody would put. I was hoping somebody would be like, okay, Miss Manco, all first semester, what did we do? Linear functions. All first semester, that's what we did, right?
Wait, so we could just do that?
We could have just done that, that's what it is. There is something else we could have done. I'm gonna give you another example in red pen. We could have did an exponential function, and it would have looked like this. I will take any of those. Heck, I'll take what Dan or Destin did because that was right also.
Minus one.
I just did this. Triangular prism.
Okay, finish up question 5, and then what do we do next, Leonardo?
Huh?
What do we do next? After you finish question 5, what do you do? Attaboy.
Take it. I don't need it.
Finish up question 5. Nope, you only need to draw one. I gave 2 examples. Pencil is an example of a linear.
Yeah.
Writing pen is an example of an exponential. I only want to see one on your paper.
What is that?
Oh, I see. Alright, I know. Alright.
Just go to the initial. I didn't get it.
No. Justin's right. Leonardo, you'll need to erase this and show him an example of a function. You can use a linear function, which is that pencil that I drew, or you can use an exponential that is red, but Destin cannot just initial it until it's correct. Is that correct, Jenny?
So
Okay, initial it. Is that correct?
Yep.
Attaboy.
I don't get it. I'm too confused.
Okay, what part do you not get, Leonardo?
I don't know everything.
Because I drew 2 on the same paper?
Huh?
Because I drew 2 on the same paper? Is that the confusing part?
I mean, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, so let's, is that better? No, because you can see the red line through my hand. Just concentrate on the pencil, draw that one. That's a linear function. Remember, we got the rulers out, we literally,
So
when you're graphing, you drew a straight line.
we just
Draw the black line.
Yeah.
I have a question,
I won't do that again.
Now you can pass it.
okay, so you guys see the line?
Yes.
might be
No,
terrible.
that's fine, that's fine.
Is that fine?
That's
She
fine.
was showing you 2 examples. You only had to draw one.
I should not have done that. I should not have done 2 different ways of showing it, and I will, let me do it now. Let me recorrect it,
I thought-
using Dustin's paper here. It can either look like this, or look like this. One of these 2, not both. And I'm sorry, that's better. That's what before you initial, they need to have picked 1. So Gabe, let me erase this one.
I've already erased my eraser.
But that red one isn't a non.
That's
Oh.
why I put it on Destin's.
Oh.
A warm up, because it literally says linear and exponential.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, Gabe.
Okay, so now you guys, what's the next one? Number 4.
It's a
No, we're writing, we're good.
Okay, so what's a non-function?
So it's like any,
Huh?
it's like the linear and exponential, but it could be any function.
Okay, give this
Oh,
one to Daniel.
your guess is as good as mine because I don't know.
Daniel, that goes to.
Good guess.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
All right, it should be initial if they got it right. Question number 6, this is the same, similar thing. Nope. Sketch any non-function. If a function only has one
Distant. Maybe
input for
straight.
every output,
Maybe
we can do
straight
this.
on the 0.
And there's not 2 points that touch in the line, right? If I drew 2 lines, there's not 2 points. So if it's a non-function, what would it look at? Wait, what's happening? Oh,
Done.
sorry about that. Okay. Nope, nope, that's.
I was wrong.
Nope. I would even say if a function, you don't move your pencil as you draw it. For example, I didn't move my pencil as I drew this. A non-function, you might have to break and move your pencil sometimes.
Oh, a dash?
So 3 minutes, 2 minutes,
Like
let's do
this?
2. Okay, attaboy.
Is that good?
Yep.
Let me see what you came up with.
Nope. You can do this, Jenny?
Oh, you broke it?
Nope, Leonardo?
Yeah.
You broke it?
Nope, erase number 6, you need to keep
Let
working on
me
it.
see.
But this is not an answer.
Is it?
I didn't answer yet. This is Dustin's
No,
answer.
that's mine. Mine's over there.
Wait, what?
Nope.
You have Donovan's.
Let me see.
That Donovan's answer.
Erase.
Erase it and try again.
Erase that.
Oh, you erased it?
Yeah. See, you get to.
I think it is.
I get it now.
I haven't drew it yet. I was waiting for you guys.
That wasn't Leo. That was Donovan's answer.
I think I got it wrong.
Draw a line, break it, and draw a line.
So draw like this. Like this.
Nope.
Oh,
Oh no, like this. But do it straighter.
Okay, we have, how many minutes left do we have? We have 7 minutes left.
Really?
So, yes. Yes, yes.
I don't know.
Oh, Gabriel got it. I'm going to show an example.
You gotta break it.
Which I did it first.
No.
I did.
Ratio.
When I finished first, right?
You're right. I'll use Destin's as an example.
You got lucky, but
Like this?
See?
I finished first before anybody.
Nah,
I really
Yeah,
did. The
Here,
teacher
Destin.
did.
See and look at.
So here is Destin's example. Notice how if we drew our 3 lines, let me draw them with pencil. Notice how if we drew our 3 lines. Look, there's multiple places that there's not just one point, but it's really just touching all the places, right? So it would be a non-function. So that's a pencil.
Alright, now pass it off.
Pass it off. If you have finished,
That's it.
and
Pass it all.
yes, a circle's right.
Pass it all. Okay, you feel like a wedge. Good deal, pretty much.
If it is correct, initial it. One person from each group, bring me your round table.
Put your initials.
Once you put your initials, give me the big one. Initials is on it. Put your initials on it.
I'm not.
And your initials. I got the papers.
All right, let me put your warm-ups back. You guys aren't gonna finish your warm-ups because we're running out of time. Thank you, Destin.
I'm going back on.
there's no mode.
All right, hold on.